Keystone was started by two people and a dream. They came together working part-time in the evenings after working their full-time jobs during the day. And with their hard work and dedication, they grew Keystone Electronics from a company of two people to now a company of 40 employees. Many different contract manufacturers in this area only focus on one aspect of the business. They might do PCB assembly, they might do cable assembly, they might do electromechanical assembly. Within our four walls of this building, we can do everything. When you walk into our building, it really is a family affair, whether it be from the office to the production floor, it's family. We are believers that treating employees like family garners the work ethic needed to pull together and overcome the daily challenges that you may find when operating a business. Giving respect is going to earn respect, and we feel that that mentality nurtures careers and not just a job. We want people to want to come to work every day. We want people to be excited to come here and not just have a job, but to make it a career and want to stay here for years to come. There's not necessarily a typical day at Keystone Electronics. The nature of this business, you get thrown a curveball any day, but you will find three things. You will find our office staff, our production staff, and our shipping and receiving departments working together as a team to provide the best product, the utmost quality, and on-time delivery for our customers. We hope to see Keystone Electronics continue to grow as a contract manufacturer that is trusted and sought out throughout the industry. We want our name to be synonymous with quality execution and customer service. While many other people in this industry can do what we do, we're good at what we do, and we want people to seek us out because of the name Keystone Electronics and the reputation we have. For many years to come, we want to be that go-to contract manufacturer. And when you have a team like ours, you know that you're going to get the job done, you're going to get it done quick, and you're going to get the best value for your dollar.